Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be making a couple of burgers, so come on with me guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do is cook these burgers on top of the stove. We're going to slice up some onion because we love onions here in this house. And I might cut up some lettuce. Let's try to do this a little bit healthy, so stay tuned guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it really doesn't matter what you make so long as you're making something. From sweets to takeout to barbecue to homemade stuff or quick stuff. It doesn't really matter guys. We just ask you to join in with us and have fun. Let me go ahead and tell you who the hosts are. All right, so hosting is myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or my main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I also have Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and we also have my Mountain Home and Kitchen on occasion. So if I forgot anybody, I'll go ahead and link them below. But I am just inviting you to just come on in and join us. It's just so much fun. And so let's get started here. I just placed the burgers just with a little bit of water and seasoning on top of the stove. And we're going to go ahead and steam those through because we like our burgers well done. Now, I'm making these two burgers for my son, and he likes salt, pepper, and garlic on his burgers, so that's all I'm putting on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on over to the next step. All right, so as you can see here, the burgers are just cooked enough for us. This is the way we like them. And the onions look so yummy. They're nice and caramelized. I cut up some lettuce and I put some cheese on there, which melted all over the place. And so we're going to go ahead and keep this today, at least this meal, with no carbs. So let's just continue cooking this so I can plate this for you. So guys, this looks absolutely amazing, and we're gonna head on over shortly to the reveal. Now, doesn't this look absolutely delicious? I am loving it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.